I'm gonna be beating every single level in the new update. Alright, so if you didn't know, you can't use grapplers, but what you can use is hover pads.
Hover pad.
So hold on, let me get inside.
Yo,
I just
guess
claimed my
what
gems.
I heard?
So I might not get the thingy thing, but the last level is what is it called? It's a bunch of lasers. So I gotta. So that's level 1. This is level 2. Oh shoot! I'm out of. Alright. So, oh shoot. After this level, and then I think it's another one, and then it gets really hard. But after that hard level, it's really easy. Please tell me I'm not gonna run out at last second. And I ran out at last second, but somehow these things clutched. That's the only thing about the hover pads. Alright, so this is the hard level. You gotta be careful. You gotta wait for these to drop down. Then you can move. Oh, wait for them to drop down. Move. Drop down. Oh no, hold on. What am I doing? Alright. Wrong way. You gotta go up. Unless we're gonna get spiked. Oh shoot. Gotta stay. Oh my, that could have been me. Any traps? I don't think there's any traps in here, but it's a really scary. Okay. Cause I was just. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the part I died. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Let me out of here. Oh my gosh. Okay, we beat the level. Okay, this level's easy. I'm trying to get to those. Oh my gosh. Ooh, slide. This is not a slide. Oh shoot, okay. So I did that. That's 3, 4, this is 5. Two minutes. I'm about to beat my record. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. Now I'm about to get to 7. Yep. Okay. There's only 7 levels. Okay. Let's try to dodge these. Oh my gosh. Alright, then. Ow. Oh my. No. Yo, I'm so cooked right now. Yo, earlier I wasn't doing this bad. Bro. These are selling me right now. Like I'm literally 2 shots. Alright. Now this is the even harder part. I gotta go past what's it called again? I gotta go past laser thingies, alright? Now once these go out, I go up. And that's how you do it. That is how you do it. Oh yeah. Bruh. Alright, well you're supposed to get 3 gems. Supposed to get 3 gems. Alright. Now that is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.